In this video, I am going to show you how to change the font in League of Legends, LOL, to Korean. First, ensure that you have the Korean font files available. You can find them online or extract them from a Korean version of the game if you have access to it. Next, navigate to the directory where League of Legends is installed on your computer. Usually, this is in the Riot Games folder within your program files. Once you're in the League of Legends folder, locate the RADS folder, then go to Projects and find the LOL Game Client folder. Inside the LOL Game Client folder, look for the Data folder and then the Fonts folder. Here, you'll want to back up the existing font files by copying them to a different location in case you want to revert later. Now, replace the original font files with the Korean font files you obtained earlier. After replacing the fonts, close the folder and launch League of Legends. Your game should now display text in Korean. If you want to revert to the original font, simply replace the Korean font files with the backed up originals. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.